Holy shit, y'all. This shit is real as prison steel. I got to show you. I gotta show you. I gotta show you. There ain't no cheat. Okay. It done hit it. Okay, that's what? That's where we at. Okay. 11 inches so far. Okay, I've been misinformed. 11. God damn. Yeah, a little bit. So it's about 12. Yeah. It's just ridiculous. It's out here, boy. Good gracious. Good gracious. Man, God damn. Ain't no getting out of this shit. Man, nigga done fucked up. I'm gonna make it happen, though, when it's time to make it happen. Oh, you can't even stick nothing in that. God damn. Let's go up in another part. You can't even stick nothing in there. Let's go in that part. God damn. Sheesh. My shit slipped down in that motherfucker to get down to the. Okay, I still 10. All right, I got a better understanding now. It ain't gonna go no 36 inches. I was betting them. Look at that. Up to the side of the fucking doors. Up to the bumper. This shit is ridiculous. Yeah. 8, 9 in the parking lot. That's where my goddamn van slid. I said, damn, this shit up to the back bumper. Damn, man, this shit is crazy. Yeah, okay. Now I got a better understanding of the snow and footage. I was saying it's gonna be 36 inches. Yeah, nah, it ain't gonna definitely ain't gonna do that. They said 18 to 26. I was saying 30 to 36, but yeah, the experts probably knew what they know when they know. So yeah, it's probably gonna get up to about 18, 24 inches, man. But this got to go on YouTube, man. I'm telling you, I think it's gonna be record-breaking snow for the January 2026 snowstorm in New England. I think it's gonna be. This shit is nuts. Bananas. Bananas.